Zen's mowers over here. Today's Facebook buy. Got myself a mower that I've always wanted a walk behind. John Deere 48-inch. There's the mowing deck. Yes, it did come with a bagger. This motor does run. It's a 12.5 horse engine. It had a K, but I'm guessing that K stands for Kawasaki because of that Japanese, or what I'm led to believe is Japanese writing. But no language barriers here. But yeah, this engine runs. Take you up to the controls. That's a switch to move it when it's in gear, and this is a 5-speed. Right now it's in neutral. Going down there is your forward gears, and of course, just like a rider, that's my reverse gear. I have one of these on the other side also. That's how the steering works. It's all built into the tranny. That's to turn the blades on. Now the electrical system on this doesn't really work that well, so the key switch is disconnected, but that's your typical riding lawnmower key. Down here is the key switch relay that is not hooked up. And I've got the engine choke switch. This is a pretty big gas tank. I would imagine around 10 gallons. At least 5. At least the better part of 5. Now this tire, it's got some sidewall issue. I'll probably just get a cheap tube and fix that, and that'll solve that issue for good. And no, I'm not going to run this motor because there's no cylinder gear starter here like there should be, because of course the electrical system was messed up. So, and I have to pull start this motor to get it to fire. But I would like to run it in the next video and maybe do some lawn cutting now that the weather's getting nice. But anyway, I'm going to let it go at that. I'll see you in the next video. Like this video and all the others. Comment if you feel compelled to. Subscribe to the channel if you're watching for the first time. And have a nice day.